Hello everyone. So this is the summary of the poem Ode on Solitude by Alexander Pope. So these are the important points. This poem was written in 1700 when Pope was just 12 years old. In this poem, the speaker appreciates those people who live contented and happy life in solitude rather than running after fame and recognition. The speaker here celebrates the simple and solitary life of those people who do not bother about other people's opinion. In this poem, the speaker values physical and mental health over luxury and fame. So, this is the text of the poem. Happy the man whose wish and care a few paternal acres bound, content to breathe his native air in his own ground, whose herds with milk, whose fields with bread, whose flocks supply him with attire, whose trees in summer yield him shade, in winter fire. So, when the poem begins, the speaker of the poem says that those people are happy and fortunate who have limited concerns like taking care of their inherited land and who are just happy and contented to breathe the air of their native place. Next, the speaker says that a man can be happy if he tends his herds on their land and simply enjoy the change in the seasons. That person is happy whose trees provide him shade during the summer and wood to light fire in the winter. Next, he says that that person is happy whose cows provide him milk and whose fields provide him crops and whose sheep provide him with clothing. Blessed who can unconcernedly find hours, days, and years slide soft away, in health of body, peace of mind, quiet by day, sound sleep by night, study and ease, together mixed, sweet recreation and innocence, which most does please with meditation. So, in these lines, speaker says that a man is blessed if he spends hours, days, and years calmly without being worried about anything, and who has good health and who enjoys the peace of mind and who remains calm during the day. Next, he says that a man is happy who enjoys sound sleep at night and who does hard work and also gets proper rest. And next he says that that person is blessed who is innocent and spends time doing meditation. Thus let me live unseen unknown, thus unlimited let me die, steal from the world and not a stone, tell where I lie. So in these lines the speaker says that he himself wants to live an anonymous life where he remains unseen and unknown by anyone. Next, he says that when he dies, he won't expect people to mourn his death. He would like to leave this world gently and calmly, and even without a headstone on his grave to mark his identity. So, finally, in this poem, poet idealizes rustic life and admires simple works and activities of farm life. And here the poem ends. Please subscribe if you like the video.